Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I was doing a painting. I did dandelions with some flowers, and I also added the leaves to the dandelion plant. But while looking at the painting, I think it lacks some more details. So I'm going to add a bumblebee. In order to add the bumblebee, I'm going to use white paint and a very small brush. So if you're going to do this, you have to make sure you have like one of your smallest brush to create the bumblebee. Why I use white over it is because as you can see, the orange is there and green. So in order to get the bumblebee perfect, you have to just use white to, it's like a base coat, white acrylic paint, before you proceed to add the details. Also, you have to ensure that the paint is dry before you move to the next step. Acrylic paint is relatively easy to dry, but if you can't wait, you could always use like a blow dryer to dry the spot so you can move a little bit faster. But I am definitely not in a rush, so I'm just using the white paint to like add more details to the leaf while I wait for that paint to dry before I proceed to add the other colors. So it's a bumblebee, so of course the other colors would just be black and yellow. So you can use whatever yellow paint you have at home to create that effect, and the black acrylic paint to like add the details to it. So here I'm getting the yellow, I'm getting it ready, putting it on my palette, and using the small brush again to ensure that I get the details in carefully. You could always use a medium brush as well, but I will suggest using a small one, like the smallest one that you have in your paint brush set. And while adding the details with the yellow, you can use your fingers, like rest your fingers on the canvas to get your hands steady. You can not let it shake so you can get the lines in perfectly. So as you can see, that's what I'm doing. Like I'm trying to get it perfect to get the bumblebee effect. You'll see it at the end, of course. You'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm carefully adding the yellow using a small brush, filling in the areas. Carefully doing so. So after I'm finished doing that, I'm going to add like the black for the effect. And also I'm going to add like eyes, little eyes, and you'll see the details coming in, like the antennas and the little legs. Yeah, so the little legs for the bumblebee. So I'm very careful, taking my time to add those details to it. Then I'm also going to add like the wings, using the same white acrylic paint, of course, to add the wings. So carefully doing so, not to let the paint go in the wrong parts. You take your time. You don't want to rush, so you just take your time. So I'm adding the wings, the little legs, and the antennas. You see the bumblebee coming slowly. You're seeing the formation. Yeah, and it's looking like a bumblebee, right? Yeah. Adding the details make it look so much better. And remember, we started out using just like an oval shape, an oval white shape. So you see how it's forming now, the little eyes, the antennas, and the wings. Just using black and a little white paint. So you see the bee is bean. And it looks perfect. It seemed very easy. I mean, it is easy. You can always try this at home. So just take your time, and because actually this is the first time I can tell you that this is the first time I'm actually painting a bumblebee. I think it's, yeah, I think it looks good. But what do you think? Tell me if you think I did a good job in creating this bumblebee, because I also like added mushrooms at the bottom there. I also tried doing a snail. It's not the perfect snail, but I tried doing that. But I am pretty sure I did a good job with the bumblebee. I am satisfied that I think, yeah, it looks like it's realistic. Even though with art, as I said, you don't have to be realistic with your art. It is based on you and your creativity. But at the end, always remember to have fun and be creative with your painting. Whatever you plan to do, just be creative, be bold, and have fun. So, thank you for watching, and please remember to like and share. Thank you. Bye.